Have you ever tried to save money and quit because it just seems hopeless, thinking it's hard, it's going to take forever, and really, what's the point? It's not laziness, it's psychology, mindset. And once you understand it, saving money suddenly becomes a whole lot easier. You're not broken, your brain is actually doing exactly what it's designed to do. Let's take a look. Savings feels pointless because progress is often slow. People love to see the big numbers, the fast wins, and the visible change. Savings feels more like putting your first few coins in a piggy bank. The clink sounds good, but when you shake it, it feels pretty light. So you stop, piggy goes hungry. It's like going to the gym and not seeing the scale change. You quit before there's a chance, even though it really is working. And savings fails when progress seems slow, not when effort is missing. So we quit before we even really start. But here's the part nobody tells you. The moment savings starts to feel pointless is actually the moment you're closest to your breakthrough. Now we all know that Rome wasn't built in a day. It was built brick by brick. Saving money works the same way. It's not so much about the amount, it is about the commitment, the process, and developing the habit. You already do this every day, really, without thinking about it. I mean, you get ready for work the same way: shower, clothes, coffee. You don't question the progress, you just do it. And here's a real life example. My wife wanted a deck built so that she didn't have to walk through the mud. And I'll be honest, I complained. I protested. I said, it's going to take forever. I said it's going to be difficult. But she gave me that look. So I got the measurements, I bought the materials, and got started. What happened next is exactly what happens with saving money. Really, you have to train yourself to look at two things: the progress you've made and how much closer you are to your goal. Don't worry about the gap right now. Focus on the movement. Instead of saying, man, I only saved $20, remind yourself, last week you had 0. Next week you have 50. And that's progress. I stopped thinking about how long the deck would take. I just grabbed my tools, turned on some Wayland, and got to work. I set my posts, built a frame. And I stepped back and thought, damn, this is actually happening. What felt impossible was taking shape right in front of my eyes. And saving money works exactly the same way. Once you start seeing progress, you build momentum, and everything starts to change. Listen, saving money isn't any different than anything else you do every day. I mean, you don't think about putting on your socks, you just do it. Savings is the same. Start small, start messy, but get started. That deck felt like it would take forever. Now it's done, and we sit out there with a cold sweet tea watching the chickens peck around. The funny thing is, looking back, I actually enjoyed the build. You don't need perfection, you just need the right mindset, the right determination, and the right tools. And speaking of tools, I built a free budget and debt tracking system to help you get started, and it's linked below. Now, if you got something out of this video, consider joining. We're on this journey together to earn more, owe less, and live better. Forge your life.